Ever felt the
Keys.
panic of a
Where are my
last-minute
keys?
birthday or
Not in
worried
here.
about
Where did I
losing a
put
piece of
them?
plastic that's basically
Ah,
cash?
there they
Choosing
are.
between a physical gift card and an e-gift card isn't just about plastic versus pixels. It's about convenience, security, and the planet. A physical gift card is the classic plastic card you hold in your hand, perfect for tucking into a greeting card for that tactile experience. In contrast, an e-gift card is a digital code delivered instantly via email or text. If speed is your priority, the digital version is the clear winner. While shipping a physical card can take days and involves extra costs, an e-gift card usually arrives in minutes. It's the ultimate save for forgotten occasions. There's also a major environmental benefit to consider. Since millions of pounds of plastic from gift cards end up in landfills, switching to digital codes helps eliminate waste entirely. You can use digital codes in-store too, as most retailers scan a barcode right from your phone screen. Just remember to turn your screen brightness to the max to avoid any delays at the register. Security is another big factor. If you lose a physical card, it's often gone forever. But an e-gift card lives in your inbox, meaning you can recover the code easily as long as you have access to your email. Whether you value tradition or instant ease, knowing these differences helps you make the best choice for your next gift.